Today I got an idea to change this law that the UK made, which doesn't allow children to use phones in school. And I think they should add something called a phone score. And today I'll explain it in this video. I don't like the law that banned phones in UK schools, so I think they should replace it with a phone score thing. It should be a legal document which the school has to give. So the phone score should be like, if you have a phone score of like completely zero, then you should be banned from using phones in UK schools. But if you have a good phone score like 100, then you should be allowed to use phones in school. So to know the criteria of if you're using your phone for good or bad, and if you should be allowed, the criteria should be decided by like an AI. So the government should make a special AI specifically made for determining the phone score, and then also the Wi-Fi should be able to track the children's internet activity. So if they did bad stuff like playing games when it's in the middle of learning, or going to bad websites like illegal websites, the score should go down. But if they go to good websites like learning websites and websites that are allowed, or use it for actually good reasons like calling their parents if they need to tell them about something, then their score should go up. So the government's AI should be something a bit like ChatGPT, and they should train it on like what's bad, or what in the websites are bad and what websites are good. So then the AI should determine the phone score, which will get printed out, and the school will have the phone score. So it should be a legal document that the government should force schools to do and have it, and then and the school can use it to see if you should have your phone in school or not. And if your phone score is low but not completely zero, you should be able to use your phone, but the staff should be watching you a bit more than other people with 100 score. So that's what the phone score should be. And if you're moving to a new school, they should give you the old school should give you your phone score document, and then the new school should ask you for the phone score document, and then you should give it to the new school so they can know if you can use your phone in class, use your phone in class, but watching you or not using your phone at all. So once you give the phone score paper to the new school, they should be able to use the phone score document to determine if they should let you use the phone at school completely, or let you use the phone but staff keeping a close watch on you, or no phone at all. Another thing they should add is like website protection for the phones too, because in most schools they use a extension on their computers to block bad websites, but the extensions don't work on phones. So we need a way to protect children from bad websites on the phones too. And my idea is to use this project on GitHub made called Pi-hole, which has a feature called the blacklist, which is basically if you add stuff to this blacklist on the Pi-hole interface, basically those websites will be blocked, and then you won't be allowed to use those websites on the school Wi-Fi. So then, if you connect it to the Wi-Fi and try to go to that website which is blocked by the Pi-hole blacklist feature, then it would say access denied. So another thing is with Pi-hole, they also have ad blocking too, which means no ads at all. And also, the only problem is that you have to set up Pi-hole by yourself. So, but there is a solution by buying routers which have been pre-set up with Pi-hole, and the school should buy routers which have been already set up by other people, and they're more sold on eBay than other places. So they should search on eBay for Pi-hole routers, and then they should buy a good one. So then they could use Pi-hole and go to the interface, which will allow the school to block websites and block ads. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye, everybody.